Pressure switch calibration. Step 1. Ensure that you have all necessary tools such as an adjustable pressure source, such as an air compressor, a small screwdriver, some kind of test bench or station, and continuity testers. Step 2. Attach the pressure switch to the system and ensure that it is depressurized each time before adjusting the set screw to the desired set point. Step 3. Ensure there is a tight seal on the switch and that there is no leakage. Step 4. Pressurize the switch. Step 5. Turn the adjustment screw, located in the center of the top of the switch, in order to increase or decrease the set point. Step 6. Once the calibration is complete, make sure the pressure has been removed from the system before disconnecting the switch. Other notes. You only need to connect the switch to a continuity tester in, and you do not need to supply voltage in order to carry out the calibrations.